What up, YouTube? It's your boy J Crypto the Don, back again with another video. So this video right here, I know my last video was explaining my strategy. I'm about to walk you through. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos and I haven't seen nobody walk anybody through on what they need to do. So I'm about to walk you all the way through from beginning to end on how I'm gonna get in the drip, how I'm gonna get into the WBNB, and also how I'm gonna get into the BUSD farm as well. And the leftover amount that I have, I'm gonna put that in the pool. I'm gonna start staking that under the dog so I can earn my pigs right there. And then the pigs that I get, I'm going to also put that into my pig pen and start staking that in my pig pen to earn my BUSD. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to get into the drip/BUSD farming pool. So down here they have where you can add your liquidity to the drip BUSD. This is for people who don't know about the Manor Farm. You can come over here and pair up your two. But the Manor Farm, they may charge you a percentage over here. I think it's whatever that 5% that they charge, that 0.5%. They're gonna charge you a percentage over here. Over here in the Manor Farm, if you have your drip already sold, then you can come here to the drip liberation, and then you can use BNB, BUSD, you can use Cake, you can use BTC. So you can use pretty much all of these tokens right here and it's going to, what it's going to do is the funds will be converted to drip/BUSD liquidity pool tokens. So what I'm gonna do is the money that I have been accumulating from drip, I am going to sell this money. I have 38 drips that I have accumulated in the past week. I am going to sell this money that I've earned. I see the price is going down. So I'm gonna just go ahead and sell this. I'm gonna change my slippage tolerance to 1%. It's a lot of people don't know about that. When you go to sell your drip, make sure you change your slippage tolerance to the lowest percentage. And then let's go ahead and sell that. You're going to get a 10% tax. I'm going to get a 10% tax on that $55,187. Matter of fact, let me go in here. Let me go ahead and claim this 186. Let's go ahead and claim that. Confirm. Let's go ahead and claim that. Claim successful. Cool. Alrighty, let's go ahead and make sure it goes through correctly. Okay, so that's that. Let's go to our swap, and then we're going to sell the max of my drip right now. Let's go ahead and sell that. Change our slippage tolerance back to 1%, and then sell. Confirm that. And this is going to convert my drip into BNB. So my BNB balance is at 27.95. I have 7.57 BNB, so I'm gonna keep that in my head because I'm going to wrap some of my BNB. I'm gonna wrap that amount right there. So my BNB balance is, goes from 27.95 to $7,607. So I have 20 BNBs currently right now. So let's go to Let's go to the Manor Farm and matter of fact, let's go ahead and wrap some of this BNB. Let's exchange BNB for WBNB. So we can have that already set up. I'm going to wrap. Let's do 7.7 7.5, 7.788. That's what I had in their beginning. We'll go ahead and wrap that. Let's go ahead and confirm that. Alrighty, so that has been successfully wrapped. I am left with 13.0479 BNB. So that is, I am now set up for the dogs BNB form. So all I will have to do is just come here, click this, and once the form is live, pretty sure the dog contract will be sitting right here, and all I have to do is click max, and it's going to go ahead and provide the liquidity. I'll go ahead and swap it, provide the liquidity, and then all I will have to do is just come back to the form, connect my wallet, and go ahead and start staking. So the WBNB is paired. Let's go ahead and pair the drip BUSD. Let's go ahead and go back to the Manor Farm, the Manor.farm. I'm going to leave all these links in my description. I'm going to come down to the drip liberation, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the rest of my BNB, and I'm going to click max. It's going to give me 7.5. That's the 13 BNB, and then it's going to pair the two into and convert them into the drip BUSD. So let's go ahead and supply that. Confirm supply. See, it's going to be 115.719. Matter of fact, let's come down to the garden. I'm gonna go ahead and claim this amount right here so I can get some more. Let's go ahead and harvest those seeds. Let's confirm that. So if you are into the drip garden, you're earning at 3% per day. You can take this money. It's already in the paired as a drip BUSD liquidity pool tokens. You can go ahead and claim those. Okay. And then let's go back to the drip liberation. Let's use BNB. We're gonna use that max. Bing, bong. Let's go ahead and use that, and then we're going to see, these is the current. I have 11 currently in my wallet. Let's go ahead and supply that. Confirm supply. Confirm. All right. So if you're first time adding liquidity to the drip BUSD, just go ahead and add that Cake LP to MetaMask. You're going to need that. Go ahead and close that. So you'll be able to see it when you pull up MetaMask assets. And you'll be able to see I got 125 Cake LP tokens. That is for the drip and the BUSD right there. Okay. Cool. So that's sweet right there. So now I currently have 125.8 drip BUSD liquidity pool tokens. Which you can see this bottom down here, but I have 19 drip and 2,610 BUSD. So I guess that equals up to the same amount as the drip. Let's see if I can decrease that a little bit for you. Scroll up. So as I was telling you in the last video, you have to have equal amount when you are providing liquidity on pairs. So if we go to drip, we see drip is at 135, right? 135 times how many tokens do I have? I have 19. Let's do 19, and that should equal 25. That equals 2,565. So I guess this additional amount right here will equal me up to the 2610. Yeah. So that will be an equal amount right there that they're paired together. So my drip BUSD is paired. All I have to do is come back to the form, connect that. That will be, and then start staking that. So that is paired. And then my dog BUSD. So I have already I'm gonna just use that BUSD amount right there that I have. Open that back up and MetaMask, and I'm gonna use this BUSD like I said I have right here, sitting right here. I'm gonna pair that with the dogs that I have. So BUSD might be my lowest, even though this may be paying the most. I'm gonna be earning dogs when because I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna be able to use all the dogs. So once I put it in the pen, I will the pig pen is gonna be earning more BUSD. So I'm gonna take the BUSD that I earned from here, and I'm gonna throw that in a form. So first day I'm gonna be earning a lot of probably BUSD and pigs. So I can throw that pigs. I'm gonna be earning pigs off of all this. I'm gonna be earning pigs from my dogs right here that I'll have left over from what I don't have in the farms, what I can't provide in the farms. Throw that in the pool, throw that in the dog. That's gonna be paying me out pigs. Once I get that, I'm gonna throw more pigs over here in the pig pen, and then I'll be earning the BUSD. I'll take my BUSD from here, throw it into the farm, and I'll be putting it back here where this is going to grow exponentially, because they say this is going to be the biggest over here, which is the dog/BUSD. So that is my strategy right there, guys. Once you get your once the form goes live, we'll be able to click this, and then we'll be able to pair our liquidity with the dogs from the BUSD. Take that, go back to the form, and we'll be able to click that and start staking. I'll be able to click that and start staking. So this is not financial advice. This is a strategy, my strategy of how I'll be jumping into the animal farm, and how I'm going to get that continue that circle of wealth. So I'm very excited about this. I'm up at 2:00, 2:50 in the morning, and doing my homework, seeing how I'm gonna do this, and I came up with perfect strategy. I feel like with the amount of money that I have. So yeah, definitely comment, like, subscribe. I haven't seen anybody, walk anybody through exactly what I'm doing right now. So, yeah, man, you just gotta use your mind, use your brain. Um, yeah, this is gonna be some, this is gonna be exciting, man. It's gonna be real exciting, you know. I plan on keep reinvesting the money until I feel like it's where I want to be, and I want to make that money. You know what I'm saying? So drip, drip is doing phenomenal. Drip is still paying me close to $600 a day right now. Um, been making that pretty much for the past 2 weeks. Uh, yeah. Um, life's good, man. Life's good. Life's good over here. Uh, yeah, that's my strategy. Comment, like, subscribe. Comment, like, subscribe. Shout me out. You know what I'm saying? Introduce me to your friends and family. I'm trying to build my YouTube. I've been on this crypto journey since 2017. Kind of got out of crypto for a little while, but I'm back. I'm back and I'm staying. I'm here. I'm here. Yeah, man. Comment, like, subscribe. Later.